at Haksa Beach. It's Hush Festival happening on the 1st of May. Loving the vibe. It's been an absolutely awesome afternoon, but we're here to see Zenith and Concrete Lotus live in concert. Let's go.
我哋係石利夫啦，一隊嚟自澳門嘅重型搖滾嘅樂隊啦。
一開頭我哋嘅風格其實都係一啲 prop rock 啊，係啦，咁一啲類型。咁後尾我哋慢慢即係接觸咗唔同嘅音樂，咁之後就中意一啲可能 heavy metal 啊、core 咁樣一啲嘅音樂啦。
想將重型啦同埋流行啲或者搖滾嘅音樂咧混合咗一齊嘅。
你覺得最難嘅就係點樣要令到其他人可以接受到我哋嘅音樂，或者接受到我哋嘅表演啊？澳門嘅話，主要都係聽一啲外國啊或者香港啊其他唔同地方嘅音樂，好少會接觸返澳門本地嘅音樂。有啲人其實開頭唔會聽或者接受到呢類型嘅音樂，而家都會即係想聽我哋嘅表演咁樣。
大家好，我哋係石利夫。
靈感方面咧，都係即係其實冇話一個特定嘅我點樣去創作嘅。好多時可能我行下街啊，或者食緊飯，都可能突然間個腦會浮現咗一個 melody 出嚟啦。
變嘅成個 industry 最想改變嘅係嗰種快餐文化咯，唔係話所有嘢係呢個人出名，所以佢個音樂係就係好，就係健康。我哋石利夫可能代表嘅係我哋一班中學生、even 大學生，甚至啱啱出嚟嘅一啲 freshman 做嘅，其實都可以去到好專業嘅。
計埋今年係我哋第3年喺 Hush 上面度表演。
呢一年嘅感覺都好好啊，因為我哋個 stage 都算係即係 full of crowd， 好開心。
我覺得最開心係見到啲觀眾係 enjoy 緊嘅。
雖然我哋做音樂人真係揾唔到錢嘅，至少我可以同大家講，我有一個好大嘅勇氣投入，我好享受嘅，充滿挑戰性嘅嘢。Pop 其實本身都唔係一種固定嘅格式嚟㗎。Pop 個意思係流行啊嘛，咁即係你要 make your music pop 咯。我哋希望將呢個搖滾，呢個重型搖滾嘅一個 comfort zone 去推得更加遠、更加闊咯。特別係我哋用廣東話去寫啦，所以我哋希望更加澳門在地嘅市民可以感受到呢一種音樂嘅文化，所以我哋決定咁樣去創作自己嘅歌曲咯。
There's a lot happening here. There's so many different social aspects.
There has to be a way to download all of what we're feeling, what happens to us individually, to us as partners in music, to us as journalists, because that's our profession. That's where the inspiration comes from. We might have a theme or something, or what does this song reminds you of, something like that. Or I can get home and go like, oh, do you know the beat you did? I think I have something, and I show it to him, or he shows it to me.
Even if one person writes part of the chorus, we'll make sure that we're both on the same page with it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Concrete Lotus! Yeah!
Performing is the best part.
Well, we were super lucky at Hush to have Ryan Carroll come up and play.
Sure, yeah.
So this was a completely new experience. We were really impressed with the organization.
Yeah.
With the stage managers, with the crew.
Technicians, the sound techs.
The money that they put into it as well, the multiple stages was great, and I think that this is really a good, honest, solid platform to be It's the stage that people need it, and you can't have in industry if you don't have people who are there to do the practical side. If you had that platform, if you had the venues available for the people to play at, I think that you would automatically see growth.
LMA, for example, with the
Live Music Association, they continue,
which has been,
despite all odds. Just mad respect to Chisa.
There are people insisting to change something in this, but yeah, we need a little bit more.
People will complain about a lack of things happening, but then when something does happen, they'll always assume that there's another event they can go to later on.
And if they don't have an audience, they don't have public, people end up giving up. And they say, oh, why are we going to do this? Because no one comes to this.
If you don't go this time, next time doesn't happen. Show up, support, believe in people. And
be proud of Macau, basically. Be proud of what we have here, because we have a lot of good stuff.
There's a bunch of really, really talented people here.
We're here to find LMA, Live Music Association, a really cool live music spot in Macau, found in this kind of old, hard to find industrial building. But when you do find it, you're gonna love it, I'm sure. They have a great collection of indie gigs with eclectic music, just really cool stuff. And they post information about upcoming gig dates on their Facebook page. So do go like it so you can hear about all the upcoming news. Right now, we're here to go talk with Vincent, who runs LMA, and we're gonna just have a chat with him and see what he has to say. Let's go.
Punk, post-rock, jazz, there's like some experimental sound art. We're open for any different kind of good music. I think the people need more curiosity, you know. Now it's very easy to get music now. You just, you know, in internet search, maybe you just listen to half songs. They don't spend more time to digest what the music want to, you know, let the people know. I think if the people love music, you need to, you know, listen more and come to see. Life is completely different. Actually, all the musicians do tiny little things, use what kind of effect, what they're doing, the skills. You're very easy to see. It's not in a big concert. In a big concert, it's too far away. And also, you can very easy to talk to the artist before the concert or after the concert, because everything is very small. No some private room for the artists. They only just hanging around on the venue. So you can make friends and ask things about their music. I think for the music lover, it's quite good for them. I want more kids, more young people, that just going out of your rehearsal room, you know, and come to LMA and make a concert and let people know about your music.
We're here at Broadway and we're heading to Roadhouse to catch some live music. Roadhouse has a really awesome in-house live band playing every Tuesday to Sunday, 9 p.m. onward. But if you want to catch the happy hour, you gotta be here from 5 to 8. Besides music, they've also got snacks, beer, and a free car service to and from Roadhouse. Wonderwell Cafe is a really snug little place found just near Tapsang. Every Tuesday night from 7 to 9 p.m. they have a free jam session for classical and jazz musicians. Even if you don't play music, it's a great place to come, grab some food and drinks and listen to live music. Macau's Campec Community Center offers live Cantonese opera shows. Although Macau is not famed for its music scene, there are still many talented individuals who are working hard on bringing music to the city. I've had a great time talking to them and exploring their stories, but there is still so much more to be discovered. So if you've enjoyed this episode and want to learn more, be sure to leave us a comment and we'll do more in the future.